Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat on PC. So previously, in order to use Snapchat on your PCs, you would need to download GQ Stack. But however, now Snapchat is also available on the web or on the website. To use that, just open up your web browser and search for snapchat.com. Once you do, you will land on this interface. Just click on login to chat and you will need to log into your Snapchat account by typing in your username or email address first, and you will get a notification on your phone to verify that it's you logging in. You just need to tap on the notification on your Snapchat on your phone and you will be instantly logged in. Once you're logged into your account, it's pretty much the same as you use that on your mobile phone. The only downside to using Snapchat on the website is you cannot open up snaps. So as you can see, this is a snap that I have received and I cannot open it using the website, and it says open the mobile app to view. So that's the thing with Snapchat website, that you cannot open up snaps that happens to you. But other than these kind of snaps, you can open up the photos or videos that have been sent to you and also the text messages. Now if you want to take a snap on your PC, you will need to turn on the microphone and the camera. To do that, click on the log option on the top left and you need to toggle this option on. Once you turn on the camera, you just need to reload the page. So make sure you toggle this camera option on and this camera will be turned on your PC. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.